Print photos in a picture package layout. Print photos in a picture package layout. 32 bytes CL6 and below only. And place multiple photos into a picture package. By the way, you can use the optimal picture package plugin described below and first download it for Windows or Mac OS. And you can also create picture and custom packages in Photoshop Lightroom. And if you have it, you should to see laying out photos in a print template in Lightroom Help. And by the way, with the optional picture package plugin, you can also place multiple copies of an image on a single page and match it as portrait studios do with school photos. And also you can also place different images, by the way, on the same page. And you can also choose from a variety of size and placement options to customize your package layout. Like the next screenshot, this image now explains for you a picture package layout. And you have steps. Step number 1. Picture package is an optional plugin, by the way, and download and install it for Windows or Mac OS. And step number 2, and run Photoshop only. 32 bytes mode or 64 bytes if you use Mac OS only. Step number 2. By the way, Photoshop should choose file, then choose automate, then choose picture package. And if you have multiple images open, picture package, by the way, uses the frontmost image. And if you use bridge, choose tools, then choose Photoshop, then picture package, and the picture package command uses the first image listed in bridge unless you select a specific image before giving the picture package command. And if you are using, by the way, only the frontmost image or a selected image from bridge, skip to step 3. Step number 3. Add one or more images to the layout by doing one of the following. By the way, in the source images area of the picture package dialog box, you should choose either file or folder from the use menu and click browse if you use Windows or choose Mac OS. And if you choose folder, you can select include all subfolders to include images inside any subfolders. And also you should to click a placeholder in the preview layout and browse to select an image. Like the next screenshot now. This image, by the way, explained for you. Click a placeholder in the picture package preview layout, then browse to select an image. And after that, drag an image from the desktop or a folder into a placeholder. Like the next image and next screenshot, we have layout and images. And you can add an image to a picture package by dragging the image from the desktop into a placeholder, by the way. And you can also change any image in the layout by clicking a placeholder and browsing to select an image. And step number 4. In the document area of the picture package dialog box, you should select page size, then select layout and resolution and color mode. And a thumbnail, by the way, of the chosen layout appears on the right side of the dialog box. Step number 5. Select flatten all layers to create a picture package with all images and label text on a single layer. And then deselect flatten all layers to create a picture package with separate images, layers and text layers for labels. And by the way, if you place each image and label on a separate layer, you can also update your picture package after it's been saved. However, the layers increase the file size of your picture package, by the way. Step number 6. In the label area, you should choose the source for label text from the content menu or choose none. And if you choose custom text, you should enter the text for the label in the custom text field, by the way. Step number 7. You should specify font and font size and color and opacity and position and rotation for the labels. And finally, step number 8, click OK to execute. How to customize a picture package layout. How to customize a picture package layout. By the way, you can modify existing layouts or create new layouts using the picture package edit layout feature. and then custom layouts are saved by the way as text files and stored in the layouts folder inside the presets folder. And also you can then reuse your saved layouts. And the picture package edit layout feature uses a graphic interface, and that eliminates by the way the need to write text files to create or modify layouts. We have steps in this case. Step number 1. If you use Photoshop, choose File, then choose Automate, then choose Picture Package. And for Bridge, choose Tools, then choose Photoshop, then choose Picture Package. Step number 2. In the Picture Package dialog box, you should choose a layout from the Layout menu. And if you are creating a layout or customizing on an existing one. Step number 3. Click the Edit Layout button. Step number 4. In the Picture Package Edit Layout dialog box, and then enter a name for the custom layout in the name text box. Step number 5. Optional again. In the layout area of the Picture Package Edit Layout dialog box, then choose a size from the page size menu, or enter values in the width and height text boxes. And also you can use the units menu to specify inches and centimeters, pixels, or millimeters. Like the next screenshot, this image now explains for you how to drag a placeholder to a new location in the Picture Package layout. Step number 6. In the grid area of the Picture Package Edit Layout dialog box, you should select the Snap to option to display a grid to help you position the elements in the custom layout, and you should enter a value in the size text box to change the appearance of the grid. Step number 7. To add or delete a placeholder, do one of the following. You should click Add Zone to add a placeholder to the layout firstly. After that, select a placeholder and then click Delete Zone to delete it from the layout. Step number 8. To modify a placeholder, you should select a placeholder and do any of the following. You should enter values in the width and height text boxes to resize a placeholder by the way. After that, click and drag handle to resize a placeholder, and if you resize a rectangle placeholder with an image in it, Picture Package by the way will snap the image within the vertical or horizontal placeholder by the way, depending on the way the zone is being resized. After that, enter values in the X and Y text boxes to move a placeholder. And after that, click that and drag a placeholder to the location you want in the layout. And finally, click Save to save and to execute. Number 9. Thank you. And thank you so much.